Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, we are back with another wig install video, and you guys know how much I love my wigs from Gorgius. You guys seen I installed this beautiful banged wig right here, and you guys can see, first of all, let's just talk about the color of this wig. You guys, this wig is such a beautiful color. Like, I am so obsessed with this color. Lately I've been really into trying different colors, you know, normally stepping out of my box from, you know, the black hair. It's kind of like a reddish color, which is reminding me of 99J. You guys know how much I love these wigs. These curly bang units are one of my favorite wigs from Gorgius. They're just so easy to throw on and go, and they're so perfect for when you're in a rush, or if you're just having a bad hair day and you really don't know what to do with your hair. This wig is going to be your best option, honestly and truly. Like, every time I say that, I honestly mean it. These wigs are just so simple. They're so easy. They're 1, 2, 3, and like, I really have never had a wig this easy to install. Like, these wigs are such a go-to of mine. I love them so much. They come in so many different styles, they come in so many different colors, and really whatever your preference is, they will have a wig for you, which is why I love Gorgius. You guys can see on their website, they just have so many unique different styles bang units. Especially if you guys like bangs, these wigs are perfect for you. It's all you have to do is throw on a cap and throw the wig on, and literally that's it. Like, your edges are safe because you're not using no lace glues, you're not using no spray. It really does protect your hair. I only use water, my mousse, I diffused it with my blow dryer, and that was it, because I like for my hair to be big and fluffy. You can always wear this hair in a wet state if that's your preference, but me personally, I love big, like, fluffy hair, not giving stiff hair at all. Just love how many unique different styles they have with these units. If you guys have not watched my past units with Gorgius and these curly banged wigs, I will have them linked in the eye as well as the description box, so you guys should definitely go and check that out. I'm kind of scared when it comes to cutting my wigs because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. I really try not to do too much. I try to cut some layers around the wig just to give it a little more shape. Wigs are also very versatile. You guys can get super creative with these wigs. Like I said, you don't have to worry about doing no baby hairs, no sprays, no lace glues. You don't have to bleach the knots on these. Like, if you are a beginner to wigs, I would definitely recommend these wigs because they're just so easy. If you guys love curly banged units, this wig is for you. I will have all the information to this wig in my description box, and I will have my coupon code right here on the screen so you guys can save some money, of course. That was everything for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.